In this video, we'll show you a voice experience in a sample sales application from Alan.
Hey Alan, what are my opportunities?
You have 25 new opportunities. Recent ones are Bird, Postmates, and WAG.
What's the status of Bird?
The status of the Bird opportunity is value proposition.
Notice when I ask about the status of Bird, it recognized Bird as a company rather than as an actual bird. This is because Alan is training off of all the words in advance. This is what we call a domain language model and is unique to every enterprise application. Change status to ID decision makers.
Bird's status was changed to ID decision makers.
Change revenue to $3 million.
OK changed it to $3 million.
Here, Alan recognized the visual context of the user. Because I'm already viewing the Bird opportunity, it will take any commands that I give and apply them to this opportunity. So I don't need to specify that Bird is the company I'm talking about when I ask to change the status. What's the news on them?
The recent news on Bird. Bird raises $300 million led by Sequoia Capital. Bird's electric scooters are going international. Bird now offers discounts to people with low incomes.
This is what we call visual voice synchronization. Alan synchronized what was being said with the text and the picture on the screen for each one of the articles in the news. Alan makes it easy to add a voice interface to any application.